Hello friends and welcome back. So today we will discuss about UAT, which stands for User Acceptance Testing. So without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. User acceptance testing is a critical phase in different project life cycles where end users test a product, system or service to ensure it meets their requirements and expectations. It is typically the final phase of testing before the product goes live, intended to verify that it performs as expected in real world situation, right? Even if there is any change in the software or process, then also UAT is done before making it live in real world environment, right? Why UAT is required? UAT serve different purpose like validation of user requirements. UAT checks if the software meets the needs and requirements of the user. Software should not only meet the technical requirements but also work effectively for the user when they actually use it, right? Identification of real world issues. User acceptance testing finds problems with functionality, training, or process flow that were not anticipated during the requirements and design phase of any project, right? Feedback loop. It provides a direct feedback mechanism from users to developers to refine the software before its final release. And performance. UAT checks if system performs well under typical loads. Let's understand it with an example. Imagine a company has developed a new invoicing system. During UAT, a group of users from the accounting department would use the system to create, edit, and send invoices. They would check if all the necessary fields are present, if the calculations are correct, and if the system integrates well with other financial softwares which they are using. And if they encounter any issues or find that certain features are missing, they report these back to the developers for corrective action. Incorporating UAT in project management. Modern IT project management methodologies integrate UAT at multiple stages of development. Because this approach involves conducting UAT at multiple stages of the project rather than waiting till the end. It helps in identifying and resolving issues without delaying the project timeline. What are the consequences of failed UAT? If UAT fails, it indicates that the initial steps to understand what the users need and define the project goals were not done properly. It is a sign that the project might not deliver the value it intended to, and significant changes may be needed, potentially leading to project delays or even failure. So UAT is like a final rehearsal for the software where the actual users test it to make sure it's fully functional and ready for everyday use. By involving users early and throughout the development process, organizations can ensure that the final product is both functional and user-friendly, leading to higher satisfaction and successful project outcomes. So guys, this was all for today. I hope you found value from this video. Please like and share it with your friends. Consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon with another topic, another video. Bye bye.